If you want people to take you seriously, respect doesn't come from being liked. It comes from what you do when nobody's watching. I spent years building businesses and working with top performers, and I've noticed 5 clear patterns that separate people who command respect from those who get ignored. Secret 1, choose respect over popularity. Early in my career, I was a people pleaser. I'd hang around people I disagreed with just to be liked. I'd compromise my values to fit in. But here's what changed everything. I realized the first person who needs to respect me is me. When you prioritize being liked, you tolerate behavior that makes you feel small. You agree to things that violate your standards. Ask yourself right now, are you making compromises just to keep people happy? If yes, you're destroying your own respect. Secret 2, be insanely consistent. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's built through showing up repeatedly. When you say you'll be at the gym, be there. When you promise to deliver work by Friday, deliver it Friday. People track your patterns. If you're reliable for 6 months straight, one miss won't matter. But if you're 50-50, they'll bypass you entirely. I know instantly who I can count on based on their follow-through. Inconsistent people don't get opportunities because nobody trusts them with anything important. Want more responsibility? Handle what's already on your plate first. Secret 3, set brutal boundaries. Make 2 lists right now. First list, behaviors you absolutely won't tolerate. Disrespect, gossip, laziness, whatever crosses your line. Second list, qualities you expect from the best people in your life. Then compare how you spend your time. Are you living aligned with these standards? If not, the people you want in your life won't want you in theirs. Here's the hard part. When someone violates your boundaries, you have to remove them. Family, old friends, employees, doesn't matter. Every time I've cut someone who disrespected me, my life improved. Never once got worse. Stop being afraid of the short-term discomfort. Secret 4, master one thing completely. You want respect? Be undeniably great at something. Nice and friendly doesn't cut it. Results do. Look around you. Is your environment better because you're there? If not, nobody should respect you. Pick one skill and obsess over it for 18 months minimum. Get stats. Get proof. My social team has ridiculous numbers because they mastered one thing, creating content people actually watch. Don't try being good at 5 things. Be exceptional at 1, then move to the next. Secret 5, let your actions drown out the noise. I still don't get the respect I deserve from everyone, but I stopped caring because I respect how I show up. You'll never please everyone. Some people will dismiss you no matter what you accomplish. That's fine. The question is, do you respect your own effort? Stop talking about what you'll do. Stop complaining that people don't respect you. Nobody cares. Put your head down and prove it through results over years, not weeks. Respect is earned in silence and revealed through outcomes. If you implement these 5 secrets consistently, respect becomes inevitable. Comment below which secret hit you hardest.